Hi, my name is Hamza Fansuri Sulaiman and my MIT number is S588881. Alright, today we will present about ASEAN Japan Comprehensive Economic Partnership, that is AJCEP. We will present for our valuable lecturer, that is Dr. Azman bin Samsudin, and this is all of my group members, all of us 10 people.
The ASEAN-Japan Comprehensive Economic Partnership (AJCEP) is an economic agreement between the Association of Southeast Asian Nations (ASEAN) and Japan. The AJCEP aims to enhance economic cooperation and promote trade and investment between the member countries. They also aim to deepen economic integration between ASEAN and Japan. It seeks to create a more seamless and conducive economic environment for business in both regions by reducing barriers to trade and investment. It is also aims to promote bilateral trade and investment. It increases market access and fosters a more favorable investment climate by reducing or eliminating tariff, non-tariff barriers and other trade restrictions. AJCEP also recognizes the importance of sustainable development and promotes cooperation in areas like environmental protection, conservation, and resource management.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Arizan Zain Arifin. So today I would like to present International Economic Indicator in ASEAN-Japan Comprehensive Economic Partnership. So the first one is the FDI, is foreign direct investment, and the second one is trade in goods between this region. Okay, FDI refers to investment made by companies or individuals from one country into business or asset located in one other country. So on the context of Asian-Japan relation, it showed that a positive result considering Japan is the fourth largest partner of Asians. And the data also show the reflect of very varying levels of FDI inflow from Japan into Asian. The second one is the trade in goods. It means the exchange of physical product or commodities. In context of Asian-Japan, it also show the good relationship. Based on the data, we will function in export and import values between Asian countries and Japan.
How the AJCEP attempt to eliminate the tariff? AJCEP attempt to eliminate the tariff by placing an agreement aimed at reducing or eliminating tariff on good trade between ASEAN member country and Japan. Participating country negotiate a tariff reduction schedule and gradually eliminate tariff on various products. The process aims to promote freer trade, create a level playing field, and improve market access for businesses from all signatory countries. Trade rate pattern. As can be seen in this table, it is seen that before AJCEP, the tariff is high, and after AJCEP, the tariff is low. Based on the line graph, Indonesia tariff rate in 2008 look high, which is 6.84%, and the tariff rates in 2009, which is after the AJCEP, has dropped to 4.96%.
My name is Pravina Rajendra Krishnan. Today I'll be presenting about AJCEP's good trade patterns. The AJCEP aims to establish a comprehensive framework for Asian-Japan trade in various goods, including industrial, agriculture, and fishing supplies. It aims to foster cooperation and economic prosperity by lowering tariffs, resolving non-tariff obstacles, and harmonizing technical norms and standards. The agreement covers industries like machinery, electronics, automotive, chemicals, textiles, iron and steel, and medicines. It also addresses agriculture goods, promoting sanitary and phytosanitary measures, opening new markets, and resolving trade barriers. The agreement also includes rules of origin clauses and dispute resolution procedures, promoting trust and confidence. The implementation aims to address non-tariff obstacles, lower or eliminate tariffs, create origin standards, and offer dispute resolution methods. The effects of the AJCEP of specific industry and products may vary depending on factors like tariff reductions, industry competitiveness, consumer preferences, and companies' adaptability to changing market conditions.
Hi, my name is Gayatri Sivakumar. My metro number is S60569. I will continue with trade in service. According to Malaysian Free Trade Agreement, MIPI, AJCEP influence economy service trade in Malaysia in positive way. As we can see, there is table shows about total export cargo by year for Malaysia. We can see that how important export for each country which is contribute to the income. There is up and down shows in the graph, but what I can conclude, AJCEP give a good impact to the total of export cargo for each country, especially for Malaysia. Other than that, tourism also contribute to Malaysia economic sector, especially for GDP growth. As we can see, after 2009, especially exactly after this agreement be signed, graph of number international tourists arrived to Malaysia keep increasing year by year. This shows that AJCEP agreement give a good and positive impact to the Malaysian economic sector. Thank you.
International factor movement is the cross-border movement of various productions such as capital, labor, and also technology. First and foremost, capital movement in the AJCEP provides investment protection and also promotes fair treatment and equal consideration for the investors. Secondly, the purpose of AJCEP is to liberalize investment regulation and improve market access between ASEAN countries and also Japan. Furthermore, AJCEP recognizes the importance of strong capital market in supporting of economic growth and investment. Moreover, AJCEP promotes financial services liberalization, aiming to reduce the obstacles and make the financial sectors more accessible and also competitive. Last but not least, AJCEP includes provisions for ISDS processions, allowing investors to seek international arbitration to resolve investments disputes with host countries.
Hi, my name is Nurul Ashikin binti Nawang and my metric number is S57931. I want to explain about balance of payment. Before ASEAN-Japan Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement or AJCEP, most ASEAN countries had a balance of payment deficit with Japan, except for Singapore and Vietnam. After the implementation of AJCEP, there was a change in the pattern of balance of payment between ASEAN countries and Japan. Some countries experience an increase in their balance of payment with Japan, while others continue to have deficit. Trade in goods and service is also a crucial factor influencing economic relation between ASEAN countries and Japan. Personal transfer, including remittance, gift and donation, can provide insight into the financial dependency between countries. The analysis of personal transfer before and after ASEAN-Japan Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement implementation can help understand the balance of payment and economic relationship. AJCEP indirectly influence the transfer of person by promoting economic integration and reducing trade barrier. Increased trade between Asian countries and Japan may affect the amount of personal transfer. That's all for me.
Regional Comprehensive Advantage (RCA) is an economic concept that measures the relative advantage of a country in producing a particular good or service compared to another country. RCA important because RCA analysis is a useful tool for a government and policymaker for creating sound trade policy. By looking at 5 types of products, we can conclude that before and after the agreement of ASEAN-Japan Comprehensive Economic Partnership, it can be case of a product to increase or decrease. RCA is a useful idea for figuring out how comparatively a nation is positioned in global commercial, and its application can have significant ramifications for trade agreements like the ASEAN-Japan Comprehensive Economic Partnership.
Welcome to our video presentation in the ASEAN-Japan Comprehensive Economic Partnership or AJCEP. Today we will explore the winners and losers of this recent agreement. The winners, Japan, the AJCEP offer Japanese business better access to the growing Asian market, increasing their export opportunities and access to the raw material. Number 2 is Japanese exporter. Low trade restriction and tariff under AJCEP create advantageous conditions for Japanese exporter in industries such as automobile, electronic and equipment. Number 3 is tourism sector. Easier travel and simplified visa procedures between Japan and Asian countries open up new possibilities for the hotel, travel and tourism industry in both regions. Number 4 is Asian nation. Japan's economic strength provides enhanced market access for Asian countries, promoting exports in industries like agriculture, textile and electronics. Last one is consumers. Tariff reduction and increased competition result in cheaper imported goods, providing consumer with more options and potentially lowering the cost of living. Okay, we move to the losers. Number 1 is domestic businesses in the Asian. Some domestic businesses in the Asian nation may face tough competition from Japanese competitors, potentially leading to the job losses and closures. Number 2 is domestic Japanese farmers. Low price agriculture imports from Asian nation could put pressure on the Japanese farmers, particularly in the agriculture sector. Number 3 is low skilled labor in Japan. The free movement of skilled people under AJCEP may increase competition for low skilled labor, potentially impacting wages and employment prospects. Number 4 is less competitive Asian industry. Sector less competitive than their Japanese counterparts may struggle due to the increased competition and market share challenges. Last one is owner intellectual property rights. AJCEP rules for intellectual property protection may pose challenges for those involved in intellectual property infringement. Other potential users include small and medium-sized businesses facing trade regulation, compliance issues, countries with limited export capacity, non-participating countries experience trade division effect and sensitive agriculture sectors. In conclusion, the AJCEP aims to strengthen economic cooperation and integration between Asia and Japan, while it offers significant benefits such as enhanced market access, increased trade and intellectual property protection. Careful consideration and supportive policy are necessary to address potential challenges. By maximizing opportunities and fostering inclusive growth, all parties can thrive under this comprehensive economic partnership.
In conclusion, the ASEAN-Japan Comprehensive Economic Partnership, that is ASEP, represent a significant milestone in the economic cooperation between the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASEAN, and Japan. Signed in 2008, the comprehensive agreement aims to deepen economic integration, promote trade and investment, and foster a more productive business environment between the two regions. The ASEP encompasses various sectors and areas of cooperation, including the goods and services, investment, rules of origin, and socio-cultural cooperation.